program. Today I'm going to make you a nice lovely meal. I'm going to make you some curry chicken, and I'm going to show you how to marinate the chicken before you even cook it. Well, it's going to go with some banana and dumpling and some sweet plantain and green plantain, and I know you guys are going to love that recipe. So please stay tuned and please put your comments below. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching. Nice. So right here I have the chicken. I got 2 kilos of chicken. Just use a lemon, wash it off, remove the skin from it because the skin is not good for you, it's not healthy. So right here I have 1 large onion which I just cut up a while ago. I'm going to put it straight inside of it. And I have some fresh thyme also. I'm going to put it straight inside of it. Nice and beautiful. I got a spring onion. I have 2 stalks of spring onion. I cut them up also. And I'm putting it straight inside of it. 2 nice pepper. I don't even want to touch these pepper because I know they're really hot. Right here is 2 pepper. No, sorry guys, it's half of a pepper which I just cut up. I didn't put the seed inside of it. I just edge it off. Second, I have some garlic which I just also cut up. And I'm putting it straight inside of it. Wow. So we have everything right so far. I'm gonna use 1 spoon of curry, 1 large spoon of curry inside of it, just like this. Right, I'm using 1 large spoon of the curry. I'll put a little bit more, just a little pinch more. Then I'm gonna put some paprika, a little bit of paprika. I'm gonna put also 1 spoon of meat seasoning. That's 1, and 1 spoon of all-purpose seasoning. Beautiful and nice. Then I'm gonna put some oil. I'm gonna put roughly 2 teaspoons of olive oil inside of it also. Then what I'm gonna simply, I'm gonna just use my gloves. I'm gonna put a little pepper, coarse pepper also inside of it. We don't need any salt because those season already got salt. So if you use your hand with the gloves and simple just get it and just marinate it up just like this. Then you can see right here, as you can see all the curry looking really nice and beautiful, the curry chicken. So what I'm gonna simply do, I'm just gonna put it down for it to soak, and then we're gonna use it after. So it's the best way is to marinate the chicken first and leave it for it to soak. I didn't use too much of those mixed seasoning, and try to use a natural seasoning which is more healthier and more even better for you. So as you can see, I put a lot of garlic, and I have some more garlic which I'm going to use also inside of it. I want you guys to just enjoy the recipe. Please subscribe to the channel and tell me what you think about the curry chicken. It's just nice and beautiful, and I know you guys will love this recipe right here. So as I say, this is the best way how to do your meat before you cook it. Marinate it and put it down. So right now I'm gonna just put down this right for it to soak and make those seasoning soak right straight inside of it. Nice recipe. We're gonna make that beautiful curry chicken, and we're gonna have it with some dumpling, caramel dumpling and banana and some plantain and green plantain also. So I want you guys to enjoy the recipe, and remember, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and this is the way how we make it. Nice and beautiful. So right over here I have a pot on the stove with a little bit of olive oil. I'm gonna put a pepper inside of it and some white onion which I already cut up, and 1 stalk of spring onion, fresh thyme, and some fresh garlic. We use a lot of Jamaican seasoning inside of it today. So we have another one again. Nice and beautiful. So we have the pepper. As you can see, everything inside of the pot. I'm just start taking out the pepper and everything inside of it. Really nice and beautiful. As you can see, the pepper. Look at this pepper. This is the Jamaican Scotch bonnet pepper. As you can see, looking really good. Nice and beautiful. So I'm just start taking off at the moment. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just simple take out the pepper now. Then next we need to put in those chicken inside of it. Everything inside of it. Beautiful and nice. So as you can see what is going on right here, this is just really nice and beautiful. I want you guys to enjoy this recipe because this kind of recipe only come out certain times a year. This is just a nice recipe and I want you to just enjoy the recipe. Beautiful, nice curry chicken. We're giving it a full recipe of the curry chicken today. So enjoy the curry chicken. So what we're gonna simply do, we're gonna just cook it right here for one good 15 minutes. It's spring zone water. If we need to, when we're gonna add in some carrot and Irish potato and some more seasoning. Beautiful. So right here in this bowl, I'm gonna make you some Jamaican cornmeal dumpling. So right here, I'm putting some flour. This is roughly 4 cups of flour. Roughly 4 cups of flour. And then I'm gonna put in some cornmeal. 2.5 cups of cornmeal. Little bit of salt. Then make sure you wash your hand before you start to make this Jamaican dumpling because your hand must clean. So what we're gonna simply do now, we're gonna simply add water, little by little. We're using some cool water until they combine together. You're gonna form a dough. So after you form a dough, you just leave it for rest for a couple of minutes. Then you can make the dumpling to put in the pot. So as you can see what I'm doing right here, I'm taking my little time, coming together just like this. Put in some more water. I'm just taking my little time adding the water inside of it. So as you can see right here what I'm doing, you're gonna take the time needed adding water until you see it form the dough right here. Jamaican, when they're making the dumpling, they normally put all their strength down inside of it to get out some of the starch out of it. So you just knead it, and then after you knead it, you're gonna leave it in this container. You can use a towel, cover it for another 10 more minutes, but you just get to rest. Enjoy the recipe. So, right here is the pot, beautiful and nice. I just make the pepper sweat inside of it, bring up a little flavor. Then next, gonna simple just give it another stir. Right over here is the big pot for the dumpling and the banana. So we're just cooking for the team today. Beautiful recipe. I know you guys are gonna love this one. It's so easy recipe. Nice and beautiful. So enjoy the recipe. Beautiful and nice. I got a big pot right here with some water. The water even start to boil. So simple. What we're gonna do, we're gonna start to put in Jamaican cornmeal dumpling inside of it. So I'm just gonna simply show you. When you're making Jamaican dumpling, you tear off a little piece off of it. Take a little piece off of it, like this. But I'm just gonna show you. Then you just put this together like this, then, and then you take a little time and make it and put it in that beautiful hot water. The reason why I'm putting the hot water, the dumpling first in the water before the banana, because the dumpling takes a little time to cook. So right here, I'm putting the dumpling. We're gonna put a little bit of salt also inside of the pot. Not too much salt, it all depends on you, or you stay with your salt. Put some oil inside of the pot for the banana and for the dumpling, that they don't stick together. Beautiful. So we'll be simple, gonna just take a little time, as I say, tear off the dumpling them piece by piece, just like this, and make them. So we're gonna make up all of this Jamaican dumpling. You guys gonna love the recipe. Enjoy the recipe. Nice. As you can see, the Jamaican cornmeal dumpling them so far in the pot looking good. And we're gonna peel some banana. Here's some banana. This is the ripe one, the yellow plantain. Normally we just remove the skin, cut off the side and remove the skin, cut it into 3 and cook it for one good same amount of minutes. So we're gonna cook the dumpling and the banana and everything one time inside of that pot. So love the recipe and the plantain right inside of it. That's the yellow plantain or the ripe plantain, which I'm putting at the moment. Looking really nice. And as you can see, I'm putting in the banana. This is one finger of the banana so far. and we're gonna put a little piece of a banana skin inside of the pot. So that's really nice and beautiful to keep the water clear and nice, not to make the banana then dark. So that's why I put a piece of a banana skin inside of the pot with the oil. As you can see how the pot looking good. So what I'm doing at the moment, I'm just cooking the food, the hard food at the moment. And I want to say to you, I'm going to cook everything right here for one good 20 minutes, roughly good 20 minutes inside of the pot. But then make sure they really cook the right and proper way. So enjoy the recipe. So right here I have 3 medium-sized carrot which I just cut up, 2 Irish potato inside of it. And now I'm cutting up a medium-sized white onion one more time for it. So as you can see what is going on inside of the curry pot at the moment. Then I'm just gonna simply just mix them up together like this and get that cook. I didn't have any water or anything inside of it yet, so I'm just gonna check out the water to see how it look. We're gonna put some more garlic also inside of it to bring in the flavor. Right here I'm just gonna add a little bit more water, not too much, just to bring up a little bit more gravy inside of it. Then we're gonna put some more garlic also inside of it. So enjoy the recipe. We're gonna cook this one good 20 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes the least, and a medium size heat. Enjoy the recipe. Beautiful and nice. So this is gonna be finished in a bit, and then we're gonna turn it off and share it out. Right here is the Jamaican food. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. As you can see, looking really good so far and nice. So this is ready. So we're just gonna turn off the hot food now. So this one is finished. So we're gonna just share it out and see what it looks like. Beautiful. And the food is finished. What we're gonna do, we're just gonna share it out on a plate. That's so you guys can see how it look. It's just really nice and beautiful, and you know what? It's nice to go with a nice cup of lemonade drink. So let's enjoy the recipe. Thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel, and we have a lot more recipe coming out for you guys. And as I always say, I'm just gonna share it out and see what it looks like. So right here is the food. Let's take out some food. This is a Jamaican caramel dumpling. I know you guys are gonna love it, so I'm gonna put 2 on the plate. Then right here we have some banana. We're gonna put some banana also on the plate also. Look at that, beautiful and nice. I want you guys to enjoy the recipe. Let's put another one. Beautiful recipe, Jamaican food. I know you guys are gonna love this one. Then we're gonna simply put a piece of a plantain also right on the plate. Then next a piece of sweet potato also up on the plate. Then we're gonna put on the curry chicken now. Look at this, beautiful and nice. I want you guys to just enjoy this one. Such a nice, beautiful. As you can see, curry chicken, dumpling, plantain, and piece of sweet potato and 2-finger banana. Beautiful recipe. I want you guys to just enjoy the recipe. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, and as I said, we have a lot more recipe coming out for you. As you can see how it looking really nice on the plate with the dumpling. Wow. Enjoy the recipe. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching my YouTube cooking program, and as I said, we have a lot more recipe coming out for the new year. Yeah? Wow, we're gonna love it. Well, as I say, anything you like or you want me to prepare it for you, I always can prepare it for you. Just write it in the description box, and when you subscribe, you see that tongue will go up, just give me a like also if you like the recipe. So thank you very much for watching. And subscribe to the YouTube program, and I say we have a lot more recipe coming out, and enjoy it. So give me a like, put your comments, and thank you very much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking program.